So today I will show you that where you can go ahead and search all your documents in TranZact. So quickly, let's go to our module section. Here we do have two options. One is transaction, another is all documents. So we will go ahead and search all the documents in our all documents module. Let me quickly go ahead and click on this. Now have a look. Can you see there are a few filters provided like document, type, status. So once I will click on document, have a look. I will get all the options here. So suppose if I need to go ahead and search an invoice, what I will do, I will quickly click on invoice, and the type you can go ahead and select according to your requirement. Is it a sent, or is it a received, or is it in a draft? Now I will quickly go ahead and search one invoice. So I will quickly go ahead and put it in search box. Have a look. This invoice is here. I can simply go ahead and click on this, and this invoice will get opened up in new tab, and I can go ahead and check all the details. Now coming back to all documents module, let me show you that how you can go ahead and download multiple files, multiple documents, if I may say. So suppose I need to go ahead and download 5 invoices. So what I will do, I will quickly go ahead and click the check boxes. I have selected the 5 invoices. Now on your right hand side, I can see an option of download. I will simply click on this. Now once I click on download, please have a look. A file will get downloaded in my system. This is a zip file which got downloaded. I will simply open this. Once I will open this, have a look. This is the zip file which got downloaded, and I have got all my invoices here. I can simply go ahead and just extract those invoices in my system in the folder. So this is our all documents module, from which you can go ahead and search any kind of document, and also you can download the documents in bulk. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.